Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Y'all are in for a treat today. Welcome to today's video. We're on a work trip, and when we first get to a place, the first couple of weeks, dear hubby gets at least one day off. And he knew exactly where he wanted to take me on our first day off. He knows I'm a water baby and I love the beaches. If we go somewhere to a state or to an area that has a famous or familiar beach, he's going to take me there. We've been to Gulf Shores, Alabama. We've been to Orange Beach, then on up that little strip. Then he took me down to the beach in Louisiana, and now we get to go here. Y'all, we were so close, and we took a day trip, and he took me to the beach, and we had a wonderful day. We love to walk the seashores, collect seashells, write our names in the sand, find some pretty seashells that we can write our names on, or the name of the beach and the year that we went to that beach, and we take a few pictures. And we had a lady that was so nice to take our picture for us a couple of times, and I actually put a couple of clips in here more than one time so you can enjoy this view of this wonderful beach. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll just leave you with the rest of the pictures. I'll see you in the next video. Another adventure and a video is coming up next, so stay tuned. Whoops, chilly. Whoa. Come on, give me another one. Another good wave. There comes one. Woo! I'm gonna have to get a little closer. Whoa! Here we go. Hello. Oh, that was a good one. You had a seagull right behind your head. There's a good one. Come on, I'm the mama. Woo! Yeah, I got wet now. I felt like Moana. Woo! Oh. Run! Run! Wow! Yeah. With the ocean calls me.
me. And I know. I'm singing Moana. I don't know all the words. Run! Run! Wow! Yeah. Where the ocean calls me. And I know. I'm singing Moana. I don't know all the words. Come on, give me another one. Another good wave. There comes one. Woo! I'm gonna have to get a little closer. Whoa! Here we go. Hello. Oh, that was a good one. You had a seagull right behind your head. There's a good one. Come on, I'm the mama. Woo! Yeah, I got wet now. I felt like Moana. Woo! Ooh. Woo, it's chilly.